Hello, everyone, and welcome to this instance of the Antrea community meeting. Today is July the 16th, and for today we have a status update on the Antrea 2.1 release provided by LAN. Then we will have a quick conversation concerning release timelines. So, LAN, do you want to go ahead?
Oh, sorry. I just mute. Can you see my screen now?
Yes, we can go ahead.
Okay. Since the trend proposed that we may defer 1 week for the release, I may give a quick update for the update for the release 2.1, and Trend can show us what we like to propose. The new date might be let me check. We actually plan to deliver it this week, this Friday, which is July 19th. And if we defer a week later, it will be July 26th. Okay. I think in this release, we still have 5 PRs open. Most of them are actually BGP policy feature related, and it's still under review. And I think Hongliang and Quan did a lot of works here. Quan reviewed a lot, and Hongliang is busy on addressing those comments. Looks like I think there may still have some critical comments to be addressed. So Quan may have more comments for this, and you can discuss this later after my update. Another one is about the CI part. Usually we didn't include the CI related into our release log, but actually in our each release, there are actually a lot of CI improvements and changes, and there are we also have a lot of effort on this part. And this thanks a lot for the teams who works on the CI as well. And I think besides those big features, and we also have some bug fixes in this release. As you can see here, most of them are already added with the milestone label, so you can check them here. Besides the bug fix, we also have a big feature introduced in this 2.1 is Windows 2022 support. You can see here are a few items about Windows, and some efforts are CI related, and some actually enhance the image build process, and also reduce the Windows image. Another feature I think it's worth to highlight is that about the functionality of Antrea proxy. Before this change, it's actually we cannot, we require user to remove the cookie proxy, and some feature might not work. But now, even the cookie proxy is present, so we will support the full functionality of the Antrea proxy. I think it will improve our usability. And another big items, I think it's Anacato related, and it's about the Anacato check. If you check this one, and there are actually 2 subcommands, which is about ensure check and cluster, and also ensure check installation. This will help us our users to understand the health of the cluster, if it's good enough to install an entry, and also it can help to verify the basic connectivity after the entry is installed. Yeah, this one is actually a lot of PRs related with this feature, and we will have this one in our release log, and it's actually contributed by our CNCF internship project. Yeah, and another project is also intern project is this one. Oh, sorry, I think we have the issue here. It's about the east and west connectivity monitoring tool. I think we still have one PR in progress, but the major features are already in 2.1. And we can also have this announced to allow user to use this, even we not have the full features. One remain item is to add the REST API, but current the current codes in main branch should be also work as well. Okay. Yeah, I think that's all for the major changes. And let me know if I missed anything. Yeah, I guess we still have a lot of review efforts for the BGP. And Chuan, you can go ahead to talk about the possibility of the delay, the release delay.
Thanks, Ran. Just want to add 2 more items. I may forget to tagging them with this milestone label. One is that we made a lot of effort to reduce the footprint of Antrea agent and Antrea controller, reduces the memory usage by trimming some unneeded field of Kubernetes objects that we store in cache. Yeah, there are 2 PRs for that, and another is to it's we have supported one feature requested one user requested feature that there are a few users want to share one load balance IP when using the service external IP feature, and we have implemented that in this release. Yeah. Oh, I missed tagging the milestone. Yeah. And this feature is also well documented in the load balancer section of the document. The major reason I want to propose for deferring the release by 1 week is because the major feature in this release, the BGP policy support, is still under review, and there are 3 PRs ongoing. Though I think there is no big blocker in the code itself, just we want to make sure we have considered all corner cases and make it well tested. Another reason for this difference is because we recently received a bug report regarding node port local. And I think that's kind of critical because the bug could happen as long as the cluster has a lot of terminated ports, which is a valid use case. By terminated ports, I mean the ports running into completed state, such as success port or failed port, and they are normally produced when user have some CI/CD workflows to deploy the cron job or job like the ports, and in the node port local implementation, it binds the node port local IP tables rules to the port IP instead of the port identity. Then if a port IP is recycled because the terminated port has released its IP, then the node port local rule could be messed up after the terminated port is cleaned up, but its IP has been assigned to another port. So actually, we also have this issue in net policy, but we have already merged this in 2.1, but we haven't had a PR for Node Portal Local, so we still need some time to work out a proper fix. So that's the reason I want to see if we can defer it by 1 week, so we have more time to make sure BGP policy is well tested and make sure we fix this Node Portal Local bug in 2.1.
Do we have issue tracked on the GitHub?
I'm still opening an issue and with some reproducer steps. Yeah, I will create the issue today. We received the bug from another channel.
Okay. Okay, thanks. Hi, Sawato. I think that's all from me and Trap.
Yep. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot, Lan and Sean. And well, we may also be at the end of this meeting if we don't have any question or comment on the release plan or any other topic that you would like to bring up for today. All right, that seems all then. So thanks everyone for attending, and thanks Lan and Sean for your contribution. And I wish everybody a good evening or a good day.
Thanks.
Thank you. Bye.
Thank you. Bye.